Embarking on a celestial odyssey, how the NASA solar probe touched the sun, a voyage into the heart of the solar inferno. In a groundbreaking feat of human ingenuity, NASA's Parker Solar Probe achieved what was once thought to be impossible: touching the sun. This historic milestone marks a new era in solar exploration, providing scientists with unprecedented insights into the mysteries of our nearest star. In this blog post, we'll delve into the details of this remarkable mission, exploring the challenges faced by the Parker Solar Probe and the groundbreaking discoveries it has made. The sun, a fiery inferno of unparalleled power. Before we embark on our celestial journey, let's take a moment to appreciate the awe-inspiring nature of our sun. It's a colossal ball of superheated plasma with a surface temperature of around 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The sun's immense gravity creates a scorching atmosphere called the corona, which extends millions of miles into space and reaches temperatures of up to millions of degrees. Imagine a fiery ocean of charged particles, a tempestuous brew of energy and light. This is the corona, a region where temperatures soar to unimaginable heights, defying the laws of physics as we understand them. Within this inferno, magnetic fields twist and writhe, unleashing powerful solar flares and coronal mass ejections that can disrupt life on Earth. Traveling through the corona is a daunting task, as it is filled with intense radiation, solar flares, and high-energy particles. Any spacecraft venturing into this region must be equipped with advanced heat shields and sophisticated cooling systems to survive the extreme conditions. It's akin to venturing into the heart of a dragon's lair, where the slightest misstep could spell disaster. The Parker Solar Probe, a bold mission to unravel the sun's secrets. Enter the Parker Solar Probe, a spacecraft designed to withstand the scorching heat of the sun's corona and unlock its secrets. Launched in 2018, the Parker Solar Probe embarked on a 7-year mission to study the sun's atmosphere and gather data that could help us understand how the sun works and its impact on Earth's climate. This was no ordinary mission. It was a daring endeavor, a testament to human curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. The Parker Solar Probe was designed to venture closer to the sun than any spacecraft before it, to peer directly into the heart of this fiery inferno and witness the sun's power firsthand. Key features of the Parker Solar Probe: a technological marvel. The Parker Solar Probe is equipped with a number of cutting-edge technologies that allow it to withstand the harsh environment of the sun's corona. The most notable of these is its heat shield, a marvel of engineering designed to protect the spacecraft from the scorching heat of the sun. Imagine a shield capable of withstanding temperatures exceeding 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit. A shield that could withstand the fiery breath of a dragon. This is the heat shield of the Parker Solar Probe, a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to push the boundaries of technology. In addition to its heat shield, the Parker Solar Probe also has a sophisticated cooling system that uses water to regulate the temperature of its instruments. This intricate system ensures that the delicate instruments onboard the spacecraft remain operational despite the extreme heat. The journey to the sun, a daunting yet thrilling undertaking. The Parker Solar Probe's journey to the sun was not a straight line. Instead, it took a series of loops around Venus, using the planet's gravity to gradually accelerate the spacecraft towards the sun. This technique, known as a gravity assist, allowed the Parker Solar Probe to reach a maximum speed of over 430,000 miles per hour, making it the fastest object ever built by humans. Imagine the thrill of the chase, the spacecraft hurtling through space, propelled by the gravitational pull of Venus, ever closer to its ultimate destination, the sun. This was a journey of daring, a testament to the human spirit of exploration and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. On April 28, 2021, the Parker Solar Probe made history by becoming the first spacecraft to touch the sun, plunging into the outer layer of the corona and collecting data from a region that had never before been explored. The spacecraft was only about 9.1 million miles from the sun's surface, making it closer to the star than any other spacecraft in history. This was a momentous occasion, a turning point in our understanding of the universe. For the first time in human history, we were touching the sun, peering into the heart of our star and witnessing its power firsthand. Unprecedented discoveries. unveiling the mysteries of the Sun. The Parker Solar Probe's mission has already yielded a wealth of new scientific discoveries. For example, the spacecraft has observed that the Sun's magnetic field is much more complex and dynamic than previously thought. It has also discovered that the Sun's corona is heated by a process called nanoflares, which are tiny explosions that release energy into the solar atmosphere. Imagine the excitement of making groundbreaking discoveries, of unraveling the mysteries of the universe, piece by piece. This is the thrill of scientific exploration, the joy of pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and understanding. These and other discoveries are helping scientists to better understand the Sun's role in space weather, which can have a significant impact on Earth. Space weather events, such as solar flares and coronal mass ejections, can disrupt satellite communications, damage power grids, and even endanger astronauts. By studying the Sun's behavior, we can better predict and prepare for these events, mitigating their impact on our technological society. The future of solar exploration. A glimpse into the unknown. The Parker Solar Probe's mission is far from over. The spacecraft is currently in the midst of its extended mission, which is scheduled to last until 2025. During this time, the Parker Solar Probe will continue to make close approaches to the Sun, collecting more data and helping us to unravel the mysteries of our nearest star. This is just the beginning of our journey of solar exploration. The Parker Solar Probe is paving the way for future missions that will take us even closer to the Sun, and perhaps even to other stars beyond our own solar system. The Parker Solar Probe's mission is a testament to the ingenuity and determination of human beings. It is a reminder that we can achieve great things when we set our minds to it. The Parker Solar Probe's discoveries will not only help us to better understand the Sun, but they will also pave the way for future exploration of the solar system and beyond. In conclusion, a celestial odyssey that will shape the future. In conclusion, the Parker Solar Probe's touch of the Sun is a historic milestone in solar exploration. It has opened up a new frontier in our understanding of our nearest star and its impact on our planet. The Parker Solar Probe's discoveries will have far-reaching implications for a wide range of fields, from astrophysics to space weather forecasting. As the Parker Solar Probe continues its mission, we can expect to learn even more about the Sun and its role in the universe. This is a journey of discovery, a voyage into the unknown. It is a testament to the human spirit of exploration, our relentless pursuit of knowledge, and our unwavering belief in the power of science to unlock the secrets of the universe. Join me on my celestial journey as we explore the wonders of the cosmos and discover the secrets of the universe. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Colomber Celestial Journey, for more exciting space content. Thank you for watching.